Hey guys, in this quick video, I will show you how to find and get your Bidget address on the Bidget app. First, open your Bidget wallet application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. In this page, at the bottom right, you'll be able to see the wallet icon. Tap on this wallet icon, and by doing this you will reach to this page here, where you will be able to see two different options. Right here is the deposit crypto, and here is the buy crypto. Select this deposit crypto option, and now here you will be presented with the list of tokens. From here, you will need to select the token that you'd like to find the wallet address of. Here, I'm selecting USDT. You may use ETC, USDT, or the token that you prefer. Once done selecting the token, you will be taken to a new page where you'll be able to see the QR code along with the alphanumeric wallet address. Now, you can tap on this copy option at the right side of this wallet address and copy it to your clipboard. Also, you can share this QR code by tapping on the share button at the very bottom and select any one of the social media available in order to share your QR code to your friends and family. So, by following these steps, you should be able to find wallet address on the Bidget app. And that's basically it. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and then subscribe.